Welcome to east-facing 16 feet by 36 feet 3D house design. Here we get car parking 10 feet by 22 feet. Beautiful countertop and OTS provided for hand wash and ventilation. Here northeast corner we provide mandir space 5 feet by 4 feet. Continue walking toward washroom size 5 feet by 8 feet. Step toward living room size 9 feet by 14 feet. Spacious and beautifully designed. Moving toward first floor. For first floor video, please like, share, subscribe. And don't forget to comment. Here we come to first floor. Enter to dining area 10 feet by 10 feet. Moving toward washroom. Size 5 feet by 7 feet. Moving toward kitchen size 5 feet by 10 feet in southeast corner with proper ventilation in balcony side. Please like and subscribe. Now moving toward first bedroom. Properly aligned bed and wardrobe. Size 9 feet by 14 feet. Window provided in room for ventilation from OTS. Moving toward the balcony bedroom. Room size 10 feet by 12 feet. With attached balcony and window for ventilation. If you like this video, then like and subscribe.